Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some of my fabric banner projects. The one you're looking at right now is made of cotton fabric, and this one is filled with anti-allergic filling. It's quite safe for kids to play with, and I've used these handmade accessories, butterflies, and this one I used simple stitch, and then I used overlocking on it. And here's another one. I've made initial, and the whole name is written with buttons, and here's a bow, and this one is, here's a little hang to hang this on the door or on the wall. This one is also made of cotton fabric. Here's another one which I've already made tutorial video, and this one is I've made with printed fabric and plain cotton fabric, and I've used some satin bows, and here's some felt butterflies and buttons. And this one is used with simple stitching, and then I used the filling. And this one has also got the ribbon at the end to hang this banner on the wall or on the door. Here's another one. This one has polka dot and check fabric. This is silk fabric, and this one is cotton, and this one has got hanging stars. It's a felt star, and this one has got this button at the end of the banner to hang it on the door or the wall. And this one is also filled with anti-allergic filling. Here are some samples, and this one is made with lace, and this one is also made with lace, and this one is decorated with buttons, and this one is silk fabric and is decorated with felt hearts, and this is a cotton one and decorated with satin bow. Here's another one made with printed and plain fabric, and this one is pure cotton, and this one is cotton craft fabric, and this one is also got ribbon at the end to hang the banner on, and this one has got the fabric patch aeroplane and decorated with buttons. This one has also got satin ribbon at the end to hang this banner. I hope you like my video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment on it. Thank you very much.